Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to review a face mask for toddlers. This face mask is from Chico and it's called the Comfy Pro face mask from Chico. So this is Chico is a popular brand in toddler products. Like Chico has many products, like they have feeding chairs and many toys, feeding bottles, and multiple other range of products for toddlers. And with the pandemic set in, Chico has launched the Chico Comfy Pro face mask for toddlers. And this face mask is specially designed for toddlers to fit them properly. And today we are going to unbox this and we are going to review this product from Chico. So friends, this is a Chico Comfy Pro face mask from the brand Chico. So first of all, let's start off with the packaging of the product. The product comes in a very premium packaging, like it comes in a cardboard box here from Chico. Along with it, it has a plastic cover here through which you can actually see the product. Coming to the packaging of it, here's the Chico branding right on top. Then there is the name of the product, which is Comfy Pro face mask in breathable fabric. So the fabric used to make this face mask is a breathable fabric, so that your toddler can easily breathe and won't feel suffocated wearing this mask. Now coming to the features of this mask works to filter out 95% of particles which are greater than 0.3 microns in size, which is very tiny particles. This is a reusable mask which can be washed more than up to 25 washes. It will withstand up to 25 washes and won't lose its quality. This mask will help you filter dust and pollen, which will keep your toddler safe from allergies and stuff. Moving on, let's go to the back, to the side of the product. Again, we have the Chico branding here, and the same three features which are there on the face of the product are mentioned here as well. On the other side, we have the Chico branding and the name of the product, Comfy Pro face mask in breathable fabric. On top again, we have the Chico branding. And yeah, here comes the age group for which this product is. This is 3 to 6 years. This toddler face mask is for the age group 3 to 6 years. Coming to the back side of the product, right on top again we have the age group given here and the Chico branding. Coming below, they are given generic name is face mask. The name of the product is Chico Comfy Pro face mask, 3 to 6 years size. Now this face mask has 6 layers of filtration on it. First layer is a polyester and satin cotton, polyester plus satin and cotton mix. Then there is spun bound non-woven fabric inside. Then there is melt blown filter, 2 melt blown filters, one again a spun bound non-woven fabric, and then a cotton fabric inside, which keeps it comfortable on you, feels comfortable on the face. So they have Chico has mask in 3 different sizes, which is one is for the 3 to 6 years, then is 7 to 12 years, and then adults. Then they are given the width of the product and they have mentioned the height of the mask. Below they have mentioned the warnings, and net quantity is 1 unit. Coming to the price of the product is priced at rupees 179 for a mask, for one mask. So first when I bought it, I thought that the price is a bit high. Like with the pandemic set in, we usually getting N95 mask for adults below rupees 100, but Chico is charging rupees 179 for a mask at the moment. So the price is a bit high. Let's see is the quality of the product worth it. So let's go ahead and unbox the mask. So we will open the box, and yeah, so let's see what all do we have inside the box. First of all, we have the mask, and there's another paper inside it. I think there's our instruction. So directions for use, we have a paper with the directions for use. So wash your hands thoroughly before touching the mask. Okay, I wash my hands. Hold mask with fingertips and wear it. Adjust the mask as per your comfort. Okay. Same instruction given here in pointers. Storage, before the first use, the mask must be stored in its original packaging in a clean and dry place. Once the mask is opened, ensure that it is always kept in its original packaging when not in use. So you should again store it in this to keep it clean. And then they have disposal of mask. Secondly, wrap the mask and dispose of in a dry waste bin. This mask is a non-medical mask. Use of cloth mask is only a preventive public health care measure. Okay, behind on this page we have the warnings. Always wear the mask with clean hands. Avoid touching the mask and your face as much as possible. After usage, remove mask using the straps and do not touch the surface of the mask. Wash hands after using the mask. Replace the mask if it becomes damaged, soiled, or if you come in contact with infected individuals. Carry an extra mask in case of emergency. For individual use only, do not share. This mask is for the age group up to 12 years and below. The mask is to be used strictly under adult supervision. Choking hazard. The bead to adjust the string loop size is removable and can be a choking hazard. Okay. More here is the washing instructions on how to wash the mask. Cold hand wash only. Wash the mask with detergent and water after every use. Do not exceeding 25 washes. Hang to dry. Do not machine wash. This may decrease the life and performance of the mask. Do not iron it. Do not bleach it. So these were all the washing instructions and warnings given here, and on the front side we have how to use the mask. Now I'm coming to the product itself. Let's look at the product. So this is a Chico mask here. It's a 6-layer mask as mentioned on the box. So the very first thing that we can notice that there is Chico branding here, and then it has a very cute designs on it. Like it comes with different designs. The mask that I have chose for my daughter has vehicle designs on it. So there's a boat, there's a police car, there's a ship, there's a bus, there's a car, there's an ambulance, helicopter on a ship, submarine, and I think this is a tram. Okay. So a wonderfully designed mask for kids. So the kids will actually like wearing it because it is appealing to them. So they will enjoy wearing it. Coming to the inner side of the mask, you can see that it is made out of very soft cotton. So it will give a nice feel on the face. It won't irritate the skin of the face. Again, here we have the nose adjustment to keep the mask firmly in place. Again, it has a nice padded cover here so that the nose adjustment doesn't hurt the nose of the kid. So very nicely designed. Again, coming to the straps, these are elastic straps here which can stretch. Along with that, they have a bead given here to adjust the size of the strap as well, so that you can make it loose or tight as per your child's needs. Coming to the feel of the product is really premium and it feels really nice. and soft. It will be very comfortable. My daughter has been using a Chico mask. This is a new one which I purchased for her. The earlier one was the same Chico mask she had. It had animal print on it, and she really enjoyed wearing it. Like she didn't make a fuss to wear her mask anytime. Every time we traveled outside, she always wore a mask. I never made a fuss because the mask was very appealing to her and it had wonderful colors and images on it. So she wore it happily. Earlier, I had bought local mask, which she really didn't want to wear, and it also caused a rash on her face. And from the time I started using Chico mask, it has been really nice. Like it didn't cause any side effects, it didn't cause any rash on her face, and she was very happy wearing it. Like she never made a fuss to wear it. So I was very happy with the mask and the quality of the mask which Chico has made. Even though the price is a bit high, I feel the comfort that the mask provides is far better than any other masks which are available in the market for kids. So yeah, the Chico Comfy Pro face mask is a really good buy for your kids in the time of this pandemic to keep them safe from the virus, and make it a habit for your child to wear a mask. It's completely made out of breathable fabric, so they won't have any suffocation, or you don't need to worry about your child getting suffocated by wearing mask for too long when you're outside. So it is a very well designed mask for kids from breathable fabric, which will keep them comfortable and safe from the virus. So do use it whenever you're taking your child outside. Make sure they are wearing their mask. And the Chico brand mask is really comfortable on for your child. So for the if you all want to buy this mask, the link to buy the mask is available in the description below. If you all have liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such amazing informative videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.